Howdy everyone, this is Asa Joshi and you're watching Learning Never Stops. And yes, I'm back. I took 2-3 days break because I was just busy, very busy. Navratri are there and there's so many things that are happening. So yeah, I was busy there. I might just go on a small break in few days as well. So yeah, expect me a little bit less on your screen. But then I think you guys also need a break from me. I mean, रोज उठ के जाती हूँ मैं. So it's like, yeah. Okay, moving ahead, this song was requested by Anu. Anu requested this quite some time back and I was not able to take it up then. I'm really sorry, but finally I'm doing it. Anu, Apurva, and there were so many more who've been requesting this song. So everybody who name I've not been able to take, I'm sorry, but my love, my energies are with you. So let's quickly get started with this song. These are the chords. Yes, it's just a 3-chord song. And this is a strumming pattern. Now, strumming pattern is very easy. We're just using island and a bit of chucking towards the end part of the song. But if you want, you can just leave chucking and do this on island strumming. Now, the 3 chords that you have here are easy, but E minor might be a problem for some. But for this particular song, E minor will not be a problem. Why? Because the other 2 chords are so close to E minor and are so easy to play that E minor will come very, very, very easily. And plus I will also give you some tips and tricks, small ones. So yeah, use them.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do the chords. Let's do the first chord, which is E minor. I call this E minor chord a waterfall chord because the pattern looks somewhat like a waterfall. See, झरने की तरह है. Okay, तो हमारा index जाएगा on the 2nd fret 1st string, हमारा middle जाएगा on the 3rd fret 2nd string और हमारा ring जाएगा on the 4th fret 3rd string. ठीक है, this is E minor. Now this is E minor. Okay, इसके बाद हम लोग जाएंगे G पर. G is a downward facing triangle, which is your index finger on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. And then at the end we have A minor. Please, if you use your index finger for playing A minor, for this song at least, try and use your middle finger. Okay, because then switching from A minor to E minor will be easy. Okay, so A minor, use your middle finger to go on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. ठीक है, use your index finger क्योंकि हम लोग usually A minor से usually E minor पे switch कर रहे हैं. तो हमारी जो फर्स्ट फिंगर है, जो E minor पे फर्स्ट फिंगर लगेगी, जो हमारी इंडेक्स फिंगर, वो फ्री रहनी चाहिए. वो फ्री रहेगी तो स्विच बहुत ईजी हो जाएगा. ओके, ऑलराइट. नाउ जब आप E minor पे स्विच करें, when you are switching to E minor, then go 1 1 1 1 1 1 and ये नहीं कि जब तक पूरा का पूरा फिंगर नहीं आएगा आप स्ट्रमिंग शुरू नहीं करेंगे. कीप ऑन स्ट्रमिंग एंड प्लेस योर फिंगर्स. कीप ऑन स्ट्रमिंग एंड प्लेस योर फिंगर्स. ओके, दिस इज द ट्रिक. Let's go to the strumming pattern now. It is very easy. It is normal island strum. Down, down, up, up, down, up. But we're going to do a lot of accenting and we're going to do it in a bit of a high tempo. We're going to do a bit faster. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and down, up. And we're going to do a lot of accenting, we're going to play half beats to bring that groove. Okay? So we're going to do like this. ठीक है. Then when the girl part come, वो खुशबू से बहलाओ ना, वहाँ पे मैं थोड़ी सी चकिंग डाल रही हूँ just to break the monotony of island strum. But if you don't want to put chucking, it's okay, it's on you. And I don't put a very strong chuck, I just do it हल्के से, do it very polite. ठीक है. Okay everyone, let's quickly start with the lesson. It's gonna be fun, easy. Do not worry about E minor too much, okay? मैं पहले normal down strums में आपको बताऊंगी, आपको switches बताऊंगी. The chords will flash you and then we're gonna play it together on the island strum. ठीक है? So first of all, we're gonna make the waterfall chord, which is E minor 1 2 3, and this becomes a waterfall chord. So we're gonna start with the E minor. 1 2 3 start. जड़ा कर जुल्फ जब तुम, and then जब तुम के बाद we'll gonna go to G. तौलिए से A minor. बारिशें आजाद करती G. हो अच्छा लगता, and then again E minor. है same progression in the next line. हिलाकर होठ जब भी हौले हौले गुफ्तगू को साज करती हो, अच्छा लगता है. Okay, now that you know the progression, let's do it together on the island strum. Now I tried different kind of strummings, but I think island was going the best. And yeah, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, and let's go. जब तुम तौलिए से बारिशें आजाद करती हो, अच्छा लगता है हिलाकर होठ जब तुम हौले हौले गुफ्तगू को साज करती हो, अच्छा लगता है. Good. Now coming to the next part, we ended at E minor, we'll stay at E minor and we'll go हो खुशबू से बहलाओ ना, and then we're going to switch to A minor. See the point pe aao na is at G. Okay, this is a quick switch. खुशबू से बहलाओ ना, see the point pe aao na. Okay, and then quickly E minor. आँखों में आँखें डाल के कह दो, and then G. ख्वाबों में बहलाओ ना, and then A minor. जरा शॉर्ट में E minor. बतलाओ ना. Back to A minor. See the point पे E minor. आओ ना. Back to A minor. See the point पे आओ G. आओ ना. Okay, this is how I play this part. Okay, it's always better to write it. If you've not written it, back जाओ लिखो. ठीक है, because the switch is not in a particular cycle, it is just happening anytime, anywhere. Okay, so write it. Okay everyone, so I'm going to use a bit of chucking in this part. Okay, you can absolutely skip chucking if you don't want to. I am personally using it just to break the monotony of island strum. ठीक है, तो कोई हार्ड एंड फास्ट रूल नहीं है कि चकिंग डालनी है या आइलैंड ही यूज़ करना है. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. खुशबू से बहलाओ ना, सीधा पॉइंट पे आओ ना, आँखों में आँखें डाल के कह दो, घावों में टहलाओ ना, जरा शॉर्ट में बतलाओ ना, सीधे पॉइंट पे आओ ना, सीधे पॉइंट पे आओ ना, अलग एहसास होता है. Okay, now let's go further ahead with the song. यहाँ पे हम लोग आएंगे to the paragraph. All of them goes exactly the same. I'll just do one part of it with you guys and then rest you can do. ठीक है, बहुत easy है. हम लोग ने G पे end करा था, हम लोग G से ही उठाएंगे. अलग एहसास होता है. Switch to A minor. तुम्हारे पास होने का. E minor. सरकती सरसराहट की नदी में रेशमी लम्हे भिगोने का. And then we start na 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 na. That carries on. Okay. So this part, अब इस part को हम लोग island पे बजाते हैं. Let's do it together. अलग एहसास होता है तुम्हारे पास होने का. सरकती सरसराहट की नदी में रेशमी लम्हे भिगोने का. ना 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 ना. ठीक है, and we carry on. To be very frank, I'm not well prepared with this song because रात को, I mean around 10-11 I figured out the chords, and early in the morning I was like, let me just get it out of my system because I have a lot of things, you know, lined up, personal things lined up, and I will be having really less amount of time for this. So yeah, I just took it out. So I don't know how I did this, but I hope the chords are clear to you and practice करते रहोगे तो फिर होता रहेगा. So that's all for this video today. I hope you liked it. Yeah. Thank you for being here. I love you all. I will see you next time. Until then, adios amigos and amigas. I love you all.